This video will show you how to create a PyTorch identity matrix by using the PyTorch I operation. First, we import PyTorch. Then we print the PyTorch version we are using. We are using PyTorch 0.4.0. Let's now create a PyTorch identity matrix of size 3 by 3. So we say torch.I and we pass a number to it. This n, which is 3 in our case, will be the number of rows and the number of columns that we have. We assign this tensor that's created to the Python variable pt3 by 3ix. Let's print the pt3 by 3ix Python variable to see what we have. We see that it's a two-dimensional PyTorch floating tensor, so it has rows and columns. We can see that the size is 1, 2, 3 rows by 1, 2, 3 columns. We see that the diagonal elements are all the number 1. We also see that the rest of the elements are the number 0. So you can see that this is an identity matrix. Perfect. We were able to create a PyTorch identity matrix by using the PyTorch I operation.